Next example. Show that similarity of two triangle is an equivalence relation on set of all triangles. Answer. Let S be the set of all triangles, let two triangles belongs to S, means A, B are two triangles belongs to S. Then A relate to B if and only if A is similar to B. A is similar to B. We know that every triangle is similar to itself. Every triangle is similar to itself. Therefore, this relation is reflexive. This relation is reflexive. Now let A, B belongs to S. Consider A relate to B means A is similar to B. A is similar to B. A is similar to B means B is also similar to A. B is also similar to A, which implies B relate to A. Therefore, tilde is symmetric. Next, let A, B, C, these three triangles belongs to S such that A relate to B, B relate to C. Means A relate to B means A is similar to B. B relate to C means B is similar to C. A is similar to B. B is similar to C. This means A is also similar to C, which implies A is similar to C. That is, A relate to C. Therefore, tilde is transitive. For reflexive, give as equation number 1, symmetric give as equation number 2, and transitive give as equation number 3. From 1, 2 and 3, tilde is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore, tilde is an equivalence relation. That is, similarity of two triangle is an equivalence relation on set of all triangles. Next example. Let S be the set of all polynomials. With real coefficients. Define relation tilde on S as F relate to G if F dash equal to G dash, where F dash denotes the derivative of f, then tilde is an equivalence relation, Here SP the set of all polynomials with real coefficients. Define relation tilde on S as f relate to g if f dash equal to g dash, where f dash denotes the derivative of f. Then tilde is an equivalence relation. We know that f relate to f, which implies f dash equal to f dash. Suppose f equal to 2x. For your explanation, f equal to 2x, f dash equal to 2. 2 equal to 2 means f dash equal to f dash equal to f dash means f relate to f. F relate to f means tilde is reflexive. F relate to g means f dash equal to g dash, f dash equal to g dash, also g dash equal to f dash, which implies g relate to f. Therefore tilde is symmetric. F relate to g, g relate to h. F relate to g means f dash equal to g dash. G relate to h means g dash equal to h dash. Here we get f dash equal to g dash equal to h dash, which implies f dash equal to h dash. F dash equal to h dash means f relate to h. Therefore tilde is transitive. Therefore here we get tilde is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore tilde is an equivalence relation. Here the end of first chapter, the integers. Now see our exercise of first chapter. Exercise question number 1. Find GCD of the following pairs of number. By Euclid algorithm, we can find the GCD of these two integers. Question number 2. Express the GCD of following integers a and b as a into x plus b into y, where x and y are integers. Here also by using Euclid algorithm, we can find out x and y. Question number 3. Write the congruence classes n equal to 6, n equal to 2. Now another examples are depend on the congruence relation. Prove that GCD of a plus 2 equal to 1 or 2 for every integer a. Question number 5. If GCD of ab equal to 1 and a divides c, b divides c, then show that ab divides c. Given GCD of ab equal to 1, we get 1 equal to a into x plus b into y, where xy belongs to z. A divides c, b divides c means there exist two integers such that c equal to a k1, c equal to b k2. k1, k2 belongs to z. By using this, we get ab divides c. Question number 6. If x and y are odd, prove that x square plus y square cannot be a perfect square. We know that odd numbers are in the form of 2k plus 1, where k belongs to z. Therefore we get x equal to 2k plus 1, y equal to 2k dash plus 1, where k dash belongs to z. Put these two values x, y in x square plus y square. Then we get x square plus y square cannot be a perfect square.